Raw garlic can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Garlic has natural immune-boosting properties that can help your body fight off infections and illnesses. Rich in antioxidants, raw garlic helps combat oxidative stress and may lower the risk of chronic diseases. Garlic's compounds can reduce inflammation, benefiting conditions like arthritis and autoimmune disorders. Some studies suggest that raw garlic consumption may be linked to a lower risk of certain cancers, including stomach and colorectal cancers. Garlic's allicin content has antimicrobial properties, helping to fight bacterial and viral infections. Raw garlic can aid digestion by promoting a healthy gut flora and supporting digestive enzymes. Garlic may assist the body in detoxifying by supporting the liver's natural processes. Ingredients: garlic,